Hi guys, welcome back to another Sunday Stata tip here on In Case of Econ Struggles. If you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. If there's a Stata tip you would like to see, make sure to comment below. Today we are going to talk about how to set file paths in Stata. Hopefully you've had a chance to look at that folder organization video. If not, check it out because this is where that folder organization is going to come in handy. So what I've got here is I've got this folder. This is where I want all my things to go from Stata. Maybe this is also where I have my data saved. And I need to somehow tell Stata to look in this folder for those items. So somehow I've got to point Stata to this file path, and I'd really like to do it without typing out the file path every single time. I really want to give Stata a shortcut so that when Stata sees the shortcut, it automatically thinks that full file path. So as you can see, I've got this global path set up. So I'm global means I want it to exist as long as I'm in Stata. This is the shortcut name that I want to give Stata. This is the name that I want Stata to remember, and I'm going to give it that file path. Now, a real easy way to do that on Windows is I can go into the file path bar and I can click to the right of the last word, and then it's going to highlight that in blue. And then I can just Control C or copy. I can go straight back into Stata, into my do file, and paste it. And now you can see that I've got that file path in Stata. And now it's called path. So down here, when I want to log using, I can just add some curly brackets. I'm going to say the word path. So this, again, this path is the same shortcut name that we gave it earlier. So if I am going to open this log after setting the path, you can see that this log appears exactly where I want it to. And I can give Stata many different shortcut names to point to many different folders. And as long as I use that shortcut name with this little $ in front of it, Stata will look in the right folder. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. Again, if there's a tip you'd like to see, comment below. And we will see you next time for another Sunday Stata tip.